Did you know that 87% of recruiters use LinkedIn to find candidates? Or that 70% of professionals have found a job through the platform? These numbers are huge, but here's the kicker: most people still don't know how to make their LinkedIn profile stand out. Without the right tweaks, your profile might get lost in the noise. But don't worry, you're not alone. Most people think all they need is a decent profile photo and a job title, but there's so much more to it. In this video, you'll learn how to build a LinkedIn profile that not only gets noticed but also opens the doors to new opportunities. From crafting the perfect headline to telling your story, you'll discover the secrets that top professionals use to land their dream jobs. Stick around because we're about to dive into the strategies that could take your LinkedIn game to the next level. Chapter 1: The LinkedIn Overhaul. Transform your profile into a career magnet. You know the saying, first impressions count? Your LinkedIn profile is often the first impression a recruiter or hiring manager gets of you. That first glance? It takes just 7 seconds to form an opinion, according to research by Career Builder. So, what does your profile say about you? It should be a reflection of your career journey, highlighting not just your skills, but also your story. A quick photo change can increase profile views by 14 times, LinkedIn. But don't just pick any picture, it should be professional and approachable. Think of it as your digital handshake. The headline, which most people overlook, can make or break your profile. It's not enough to say software engineer, make it specific. Add your area of expertise or what excites you in the field. A headline that stands out will increase your chances of getting noticed by 40%. Take the time to rewrite your summary section, but don't just summarize your resume. Tell the reader who you are beyond the job titles. For example, if you're a marketing expert, don't just list campaigns you've led, tell a story about why you love solving business challenges through creativity. People don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it. Simon Sinek's words couldn't be more relevant here. The summary is your chance to share your why. Give them a reason to keep reading. Chapter 2: Headlines that hook. Craft a catchphrase, not a job title. Think of your LinkedIn headline as the hook of an article. If it's dull, people won't bother reading on. Instead of just writing sales manager, try something like sales leader driving revenue through strategic partnerships. This subtle change can highlight your value and attract recruiters who are looking for specific skills. A great headline doesn't just tell people what you do, it tells them how well you do it. LinkedIn reports that profiles with a customized headline receive 10x more connection requests. Keywords matter here. If you're looking for a job in tech, don't just say developer. Be specific: full stack developer, passionate about AI and machine learning. This ensures your profile shows up in the right searches. A headline that includes your expertise, a passion, and results can show you're more than just a job title. It tells a recruiter what they'll get by hiring you. Keep it concise, but bold. And most importantly, tailor it to the role you want, not the one you have. Your headline should act as your personal elevator pitch, compelling and unforgettable. Chapter 3: Storytelling Mastery. How to write a bio that sells your future. Your LinkedIn About section is your personal stage. But it's more than just listing your experiences, it's about telling a compelling story. According to a study by Harvard Business Review, people remember stories up to 22 times more than facts alone. So, why not use that to your advantage? Start with a strong introduction. Instead of a generic, "I'm a results-driven professional," try something unique. Share your journey: "I started my career as a junior designer, and now I lead a team that builds products that change the way people work." Think of your career as a story arc. You were once in a different place, you encountered challenges, and now you're where you are because of what you learned. It's not about what you did, it's about the impact you made. Share examples of your growth, and include metrics when you can. For example, "I increased sales by 25% in just 1 quarter." makes your achievements more tangible. Instead of listing all your skills, show how those skills led to success. If you're looking to transition industries, be sure to focus on transferable skills. This allows hiring managers to see your potential even if you're not coming from the traditional background they expect. Make your bio reflect not just who you are, but where you're going. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more career tips and strategies. Chapter 4: Skills and Endorsements. Building credibility without bragging. Skills matter. In fact, LinkedIn data shows that 70% of employers search for candidates based on specific skills. But it's not enough to just list skills and hope people will endorse them. Being strategic is key. First, prioritize the skills that align with your career goals. If you're a content marketer, list SEO, content strategy, and social media marketing first. After all, these are the skills employers are likely to search for. Endorsements can make your profile stand out, but don't beg for them. Instead, build relationships first. Endorse your connection skills, and they might return the favor. According to LinkedIn, endorsing others can lead to 5x more endorsements coming your way. Remember, authenticity is critical. If someone endorses you for something you haven't mastered, politely ask them to endorse you for skills you actually excel at. It's about building credibility without feeling like you're bragging. You can also use the skills section to give insights into your technical expertise. If you've completed any courses or certifications, add those. A survey by Glassdoor found that nearly 60% of recruiters prefer candidates with certifications because they show commitment to growth. Chapter 5, Networking 2.0, Strategically Connecting to Grow Your Circle. LinkedIn isn't just a resume, it's a networking powerhouse. But it's not about randomly clicking connect on every profile you come across. Strategic networking is key. When sending a connection request, always add a note explaining who you are and why you want to connect. Personalization is everything. LinkedIn research shows that personalized connection requests are 4 times more likely to get accepted. Join LinkedIn groups relevant to your career. Participating in discussions and sharing your expertise helps you get noticed. Did you know that members of LinkedIn groups get 2x more profile views? But don't just stop there. Create valuable content that speaks to your audience's pain points. This positions you as an expert in your field and helps you grow your network organically. Networking isn't about quantity, it's about quality connections that matter. A strong network isn't just about numbers, it's about fostering meaningful relationships. Start by reaching out to alumni, colleagues, or people whose work you admire. Studies show that 70% of job hires happen through networking. So, your next opportunity could be just one conversation away. Chapter 6, Engagement is King, the secret sauce for visibility. Don't wait for opportunities to knock, create them. Active engagement is crucial for boosting your visibility on LinkedIn. The more you post, comment, and share, the more likely your profile is to be seen. In fact, LinkedIn posts get 5x more engagement than they did just 2 years ago. Start by liking and commenting on others' posts with insightful, thoughtful responses. This will make your name more recognizable and position you as a knowledgeable contributor. You can also share industry articles or original content. Did you know LinkedIn members who post once a week are 10 times more likely to receive connection requests? Content doesn't have to be long. Simple, bite-sized tips or a personal experience can generate more engagement than long-form articles. And don't forget to use hashtags. LinkedIn has reported that posts with hashtags get more than 50% higher engagement. Being active on LinkedIn isn't just about building your profile, it's about building a personal brand. Keep showing up consistently. The more active you are, the more likely you are to be remembered. Plus, engagement increases the chances that people will reach out to you for opportunities. If you've found these strategies helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more career building tips and tricks.